2 dead and 4 injured as gunmen opened fire on a group of residents in Waterford St. Catherine late last night. Residents say the shooting comes just over a week after a previous ambush on the same corner. We have more in this report.
What the motive of what going on, brother? But the man them come already and shoot up the corner and then come back now, come kill people this time.
The ambush took the lives of 2 elderly men of the community, one of whom displayed valiant acts of bravery in the moments of the shooting on Wednesday.
Because of his bravery, probably two children were spared because he stood in front of them.
The deceased have been identified as 64-year-old Lester Smith, otherwise called Fowl, and 63-year-old Wilford Lahore, also known as Bobby. Commander for the St. Catherine South Division, Rex Swearing, says investigations are ongoing to establish a motive for the shooting.
And the information that the police have is that about 9:30 last night, a number of citizens were in this area playing a game of dominoes when men from a particular vehicle opened fire on the citizens. 6 people were injured and taken to the hospital, where Mr. Smith and Mr. Har died while undergoing treatment.
One of the 4 injured has been treated and released. A resident who did not wish to appear on camera recounted the incident.
I'm sitting behind them, I watch them. And one car go so, come around the corner, turn and come back right there. So 2 men alighted from the car, one on the side and one on the side. And them start shoot, but for me, the first shot, I take away myself. I run past all my yard and go way around at the end. So when I come back, I see one of the man on the wall, so lean up and I just see him drop, go down and my ball out say, help, fall dead.
Councillor for the Independent City Division, Courtney Edwards, has condemned the shooting. He is hoping that the shooting will signal that there is a need for stronger police presence in the division. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.